What's up, survivalists? Jason here. Today I'm gonna go Fatwood Gold Mine hunting. You heard that right. It's just gold mine of Fatwood. And as you can tell, it's a pine forest. So you're bound to find some good Fatwood out here. I'm actually checking out the new land out here that is right behind my property. I'm probably a good 200 yards away from it right now. And I'm just gonna be checking out this whole area. And hopefully I find some really good gold mines. This time, I brought my very own Fatwood harvesting kit. Is a simple just canvas drawstring bag. Plenty of room to add a whole bunch of Fatwood inside of here. Plenty of gear to process some of it, but I did a video on this not too long ago, so I'll put a link in the description down below so you can go check that video out, or you can just literally just click right here and it'll bring you right to that video. So let's go ahead and see what we can find. So here is my first culprit. There's a root system of a pine tree. Looks like it's been here for a while. So I'm not quite sure if I'm actually going to find these good pieces. Maybe just right here. Looks like a really nice root. So hopefully that would hold some. Go ahead and check it. By Kevin Outdoors bushcraft knife. Doesn't look like any right there. There's some right here. That. Ooh, yeah. Look at that right there. That is really promising. Really dark. A little bit of pitch right there that's dried up. So that's a good sign. There's some good stuff right there. So let's go ahead, take this good big giant piece. Oh dang. Look at that. Whew. Oh my goodness. Oh my. Oh yeah. Look at that. Oh, that is dark. Ooh. Oh, that's cool. There's a K right here. It's natural. The natural K. King of Fatwood. Look at that. That is a hunk of Fatwood right there. Needs to be cleaned up just a little bit. Seems like the edges are a little bit less coagulated. But that is an awesome find right there. Just look at that. Fatwood. Let's see if it fits. That's what she said. Oh yeah. Look at that. Perfect. Perfect size for this bag. Alright. Let's go and find some more. I don't know. Check this one. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I gotta get that one. Oh yeah, so it's going right here, pretty much right there. Looks pretty dark on that spot, but yeah. Sweet. Huh. Probably half. Probably chop that up. Just take it in that way. Don't worry, I'm not really too worried about this pickaxe. A little punky. A little bit. Might be a worthy piece. Alright. Let's go ahead, find some more. So here's the branch that I cut off in the Fatwood harvesting kit video, and I just kind of teased about another one over here, and I'm finally getting it. Looks like there might be more than just the one. All right there, look at that. There are quite a few pieces over there that I could possibly check out and see if they hold any fatwood. So here's the one I teased about. And I told you, this one's gonna be mine. So let's check it out. Would you look at that? That's really nice. Might be able to dig down in there and possibly get the knot as well. That's broke. Oh, ooh my. That looks good. Look right there. Chopping into a little bit more. That looks really good. I'm gonna chop in. Try to get as deep as I can. What do you say? And then get this piece of fatwood. You're not gonna believe this. I really just knocked this off. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, that looks good. This might hold a ton of fatwood on this tree. I'm gonna try to get in as far as I can. I'm gonna get this one too, and hopefully the knot is just as good as that right there. That is really, really awesome. When it's oozing like this, really shiny on the outside, you know it's some good stuff on the inside. Oh yeah. Oh my. Even right there, holy cow. Oh my. Should cut it a little bit further. Oh, ooh, that was... Got a little too excited. Broke the tip off. Oh. Still works. Oh my. That goes straight into the whole thing. But look at that. That's an awesome piece right there. Oh. Oh my goodness. Oh. That is awesome. That is an excellent piece right there. Oh yeah. But wait, there's more. Oh my, look at that. All these ants are coming out. Protein. But look at that right there, all the way through. That is awesome. Yeah. Banged up my fingers pretty good. Oh. Literally putting blood, sweat, and tears into this. And the gloves aren't really helping. I should have grabbed some other gloves because I just realized or remembered that it kind of blisters up a little bit when it comes to these type of leather gloves. some. I don't know if it'll be worth it to try to dig into that again. Look at all this stuff. All this blowdown. A nice piece. It's just pretty much the notch, but that's really nice. Not really much in that one. Ooh, that's a pretty nice one. Not the easiest to get through that. It's pretty cool. Kind of came apart from the core. Look at that. Fallen tree. See if it's wobbly or not. Not exactly best piece. Yeah, it's almost too rotted. But look at that, that is really cool. Look at that. That is really nice dirt. Whew. That was a really nice haul. Even this big hunker right here. Just look at that. Compared to my arm, that is an awesome piece right there. I got a few other pieces that are worth mentioning all right here. Just look how glistening that one is. Just awesome piece of fat wood. Got this one on the same tree. Really nice and concentrated, almost all the way through. Then this one, the recent one, just kind of chopped up a bit. It's mainly like just the knot that's really concentrated. Then I just have the scraps that I keep in here. So that is the haul for today. There's definitely going to be more Fatwood Gold Mine videos, so keep an eye out for those. So I want to thank you all for watching. See you in the next one.